What's up guys, this is Jake, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and create and set up gift cards inside of your Shopify store. But real quick before we get into the video, if you want to learn 5 ways to instantly increase your Shopify sales, go ahead and click the first link in the description to download my free PDF that condenses everything I've learned over the years of selling products online into 5 strategies that anyone can use to increase their sales right away. Now with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So to set up a gift card inside of your Shopify store here, you're just going to have to come over here to products and then come down here to gift cards. And you're going to see here we're going to have 2 different options for digital gift cards. We can go ahead and add a gift card product. So this is going to let customers buy gift cards directly from our store. Or we can go ahead and issue a gift card. So we can go ahead and send a gift card code directly to a customer. So there's a few different instances where you would actually issue gift cards. Maybe you had some type of contest or giveaway on one of your social medias and you were going to go ahead and issue a gift card to like the winner of that contest. That's when you can go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and walk you through how to do both of these in this video. So the first one here is we're going to go ahead and add a gift card product to our store. So this is going to actually just create a purchasable product on our store that is a gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in sample store gift card here as the product name. So normally the title is just going to be your store name plus gift card. And then you can go ahead and type in a description about the gift card here. And the description here is just going to be like a standard product description. So I'll just go ahead and put in some example text right here. And then we can go ahead and add a image. So I would recommend going ahead and actually having an image associated with the gift card, because this is going to show up like a standard Shopify product, so you are going to want an image associated with it. So I'll go ahead and add that now. So you could go ahead and take a free image like I did here from pixabay.com, or if you wanted to go ahead and have your own custom gift card image with your store's branding on it created, you could go ahead and do that as well, which is probably recommended. And then we can come down here to denominations. So this is going to be the different denominations of gift cards we want to go ahead and offer. So we can have $10 gift cards, 25, 50, 100. If we wanted to go ahead and add another one in, we could. Now the denominations are going to vary, and it's going to be completely up to you. You can add whichever ones you want. Now you can go ahead and try and keep in mind the price of the products you're selling when making these denominations. So you want to make sure that the gift cards are at least somewhere near the price of the products you're selling. So that way if somebody gets a gift card, they can actually buy a product at full price with the gift card, versus say like if you have like a one product store and that one product is $55, you probably wouldn't want to have a $50 gift card, because that's going to be not very user friendly for the person that gets the gift card, because they're going to be $5 short of getting the product for free. So you definitely want to go ahead and set your denominations according to your product prices. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and keep them like this. And then this is where you can go ahead and edit everything else like a standard product. You can edit the search engine listing, which I'm not going to do right now. You can come up here and change the different product categories we have here. By default, it's going to be set as gift cards, and then the vendor, you can just put your own store, because this is going to be your own product here. And then we're just going to go up here and we're going to select our sales channels here, so we can choose to have this on our online store and Facebook and Instagram. And I'll just go ahead and click save. So now we've went ahead and created the sample store gift card. Now we can go ahead and choose to add it to a collection if we wanted to. So let's say you had a collection for gifts. You could go ahead and put this in that potential collection if you wanted, or if you wanted to show your gift card on your home page, you could put it on the home page collection. And if I click on view really quick, we can see what this gift card actually looks like. So we can see here, it's just a standard product. We have the product image right here. And then we have our denominations being shown as product variants. We have our description. We can go ahead and choose the denomination, add it to cart, and buy it. The gift card functions just like a standard product. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back really quick. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back to gift cards once again. And if we go up here to view gift card products, we can see our list of products right here, our gift cards. And if we wanted to go ahead and edit this once again, we could just go ahead and click on it and edit it like any other product. But now I'm going to come back to gift cards, and now I'm going to show you how I can go ahead and issue a gift card directly to a customer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on issue gift card now, and we can see that the gift card details are going to have a code and an initial value. So we can see here that the code by default is generated. Now we can go ahead and set this code to whatever we want, or we can just have the code be this default generation. And then we can go ahead and choose how much we want this gift card to be worth. And then we can go ahead and set our expiration date. And as we can see here, countries have different laws for gift card expiration dates. So you want to make sure you check the laws before changing the date. In all reality, you should just always have your gift card expiration to no expiration date. There's really no reason to set one. And with that said, we can come over here and send this directly to a customer by searching through our customers here, or we can go ahead and add an email address or phone number. So we can go ahead and search through different customers right here. Let's say we go ahead and just select one, and then we can go ahead down here and we can go ahead and add a note. So let's say this was a part of a TikTok giveaway, so we can go ahead and do that. And I'll just go ahead and click activate and send. And then we can see all the details of the gift card right here. So we can see the current balance. We can see when it's going to expire. You can see here that an email containing the gift card was sent to the customer down here. And if I were to jump over to my email here, we can see that this is what the email is actually going to look like when your customer receives the gift card. So we can go ahead and click on view gift card right here, and we can see that this is my gift card. We can go ahead and copy the code or scan the QR code, and all we would have to do is take this code, copy it, and then go ahead and apply this code at checkout. So if I were to jump over here to the checkout screen and I were to paste in the gift card and apply it here, we can see that this gift card here is now making this order free because it's a $25 gift card and this product was only $1.99. So with that said, that's how we can go ahead and set up gift cards within Shopify. And now we can come over here and we can see all of the gift cards that we have issued right here. We can see the full ones, partial, and empty gift cards within here as well. So that's how you can utilize gift cards within your Shopify store. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.